Now this is a story all about when God's posse went to Timberlea again. I'll tell you all about it. Sit back and relax. I'm not telling any lies, just the cold hard facts. Now you gotta dance. This is the end. That's all you got? Well, I guess you're seat dancing, so it's okay. Okay? A little bit more. You ready? You're gonna blow your minds right here. On Friday afternoon, we headed out of town, just some people on a bus going up and down. What the weekend had in store, we hadn't a clue, but it's always an adventure, and that is true. We got to camp, we couldn't wait to play. To our cabins with our stuff, we found our way. The toboggan slide and tubing hills gave us lots of fun and lots of thrills. We went across timbers to do our thing. The band got us up to dance and sing. Oliver was cool, he really made us think. From our lives to the Bible, he made a link. Getting the boys to sleep was a really big hurdle. A few of them learned a game called Turtle. The girls were not much better, didn't get much sleep. We had a lot of talks, but they weren't very deep. Brewball ball was the game that we couldn't wait to play. We were the reigning champs at the end of the day. We tried to play tough, but still be nice. Team OPCRC, domination on the ice. We had a lot of laughs, we had a lot of fun, but our time at Timberlea is over and done. We learned some new things from God's holy word. Now I hope we can apply it and live what we've learned.